Hello everyone, welcome to Urex Media. Today we're going to learn how to structure a HTML template. HTML standing for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a markup language mostly used for web development. So today we're going to learn how to structure one. HTML acts as the skeleton system of a website. Every design, every template you add to your website, it's built on top of a HTML template. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So to design our template, we are going to start by creating an empty folder. I already have one here created already, so I'll open that empty folder using the text editor of my choice. You can also open it using the text editor of your choice. So I already opened my folder here with then as you can see, it's empty, there is nothing in there. So I'll create my new file where I'll design my template from, and I'll call it index.html. You can call it whatever you want, for as long as you conclude the name by typing .html. That will show our text editor that we are trying to design we're going to structure a HTML template within that file. So to structure our design, first we need to declare to our text editor the version of HTML we'll be using. We are going to be using version 5. So to declare, need to open angle brackets. So before that, in HTML you should know we do have every template that comes within the system. Within the HTML code, we have closing and opening tags. The opening and closing tags will vary in a way that the closing tags usually come, actually all closing tags come with a / before typing the name, as we are going to see in the next few minutes. So to declare, we have opened our angle bracket there, put there that, and then doc type, or doc type standing for document type, doc type HTML, and then close. So we've already declared to our text editor that we'll be using HTML template version 5, and then hit enter. So the major structure of a HTML, for that, like I said, we have closing and opening tags. So we need to type here HTML. The rest, the text editor will do that for us. So like I said before, we have opening and closing tags. So this is an opening tag for HTML, and this is the closing tag. The difference between the two, that closing tags have a / before typing the word HTML. You are typing your angle bracket, opening angle bracket here, and then the next thing that comes there is this / sorry, we have there the / and then the HTML declaration. So everything else we're going to be coding comes inside that declaration of HTML. So after the declaration of HTML, we put in there, we also type in our title. We put in our title section. It also has a closing and opening tag, the same way as the other of HTML. So that is where you will be placing your title from. I can call it tutorial, nothing fancy. So our title section is done. Now after the title section, that is when the body section comes in. Everything you see on your website, the images, the texts, the videos you watch, and all that, everything that appears on your browser, those were placed inside the body section. So that is where everything that we want to appear on our browser will be placed inside the body section. So after the body section, that is when you go for the footer. The footer comes between the closing tag of body and the closing tag of HTML. That is where our footer will go. Then you place everything, you type in everything you want to appear on your footer, comes within the footer section. So majorly this is the structure of a HTML already. We've already structured everything over in our HTML already. Our HTML actually is already set, it's already structured, and if we are to check our browser, if you are to take this to check this in our browser, first we need to save, come to the name of your file, copy the path, then take that and place that into your, let's see here, place that path in your browser, that is Ctrl V, then hit enter. It will appear empty. The reason why it's empty is that we don't have anything within our body section. Our body section is empty. That is why our browser is also empty. So first we can maybe place here just something little, H1 tutorial. So to prove that, now we've typed in something in our body section. If you are to come here and refresh the page, now we have something in there. So now we've already structured our HTML and everything. So the next time we will be adding in more features onto our index, onto our HTML, then our HTML template, and then we'll be able to structure it more and applying texts, and we're going to be learning how to apply things, videos, images, texts into our template, so we can build an actual website. So until next time,